welcome to another video here at 200 and today we're back for a random video on a Wednesday, and I'm joined with my brother, the Muffman65.
Hi!
Hello, and we're doing something quite different today. It's not actually Minecraft. As it's a random video,
surprise.
We're doing on the Wii U, and we're going to be doing challenges on Super Mario Brothers U. So, do you like Mario Brothers?
Yeah.
This is going to be really weird sitting right next to him.
Wow.
So, we're going to do challenges, boot rush, or coin battle.
That one.
That really doesn't help. Coin battle.
Yeah.
2 players. Toad for the win, boys.
What?
Too late.
No!
We're so small. Coin courses.
So
So
you
many
start
to
with
choose
number
from.
1.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that clown. Go back.
Oh my god, it's you. Maybe we could do this like a mini series. Getting through all these coin courses. I don't know how long they take, really. Haven't played this game in so long. Bless you! Oh!
Am I yellow?
Yes, we have to collect coins.
Do.
Oh no, that gives you like loads of coin
Like
points
5,000.
things.
Are you a floppy disk?
I don't think so. How can I find out?
No! Coins.
Wee-hoo! Oh jeez. Woo!
What? No! He hacked me!
Yeah, he hacked.
Let me jump on it.
Oh no, I can't get up. Is this timed? Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Free coins for days, everyone! Free coins for days! Oh no. So it's not really about completing the course. It's
More
about
getting
getting coins. Coins, coins, coins! Come on.
Food, coins, glorious.
You're about to say
coins.
food.
Yeah, I know. I need to get that.
I'm losing coins when I do that.
No! You got it! Bonus 10 coins.
Oh no, you died.
No! Floppy disk.
Is that your favourite word?
No, it's
I should have got you
bubbles.
out.
Really?
Come on. Go, 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 go. No. Do you get bonus when you do that? You
What?
probably do. Probably get bonus for like everything.
Wee!
Oh, every time I jump on your head, I lose a coin.
Don't jump on mine.
Oh no, ouch. No, please save me, please. I saved you. Mackie D, Mackie D. Yes, coins, 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 coins.
Yes! Yes, I beat you by 1
So I guess you can
centimetre.
choose how long you play.
Can you?
Well, it was
yeah,
timed, so...
Yeah, so you can run now like 5
Should we try and do
seconds
4?
Okay.
Well, we'll see, depending
We're
on
not
time.
doing
Come
the clam one.
on. No, you beat me by 10.
No. Oh, we drew. Oh, wow. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Floppy disk.
Yes! 169 coins.
Nine
Beat you, so that's
thousand.
1
Can I choose now?
nil, as it says in the corner. Yeah, you choose.
The cloud one. Do you know that one? I don't know. Go across.
Let's do number 2 then. Maybe we can get all 8 done.
8.
Maybe.
But there's more.
See.
So
There's not.
yeah, there's more across.
Is there?
Yeah. Ice freezer.
Ice flower.
What?
Ice freezer. Come on, I need to get this.
No!
Yay!
You hacked my life.
I know I did. No!
Do you know we're supposed to get coins here?
That's what I'm doing! How do you lift them? Yes!
Oh no, you dodged it!
Oh, giant pipe. That's got to mean something. What? Where's it gonna bring us?
Up here. Is that it?
Oh,
Come on!
I guess we didn't need to go down it then.
Can we go back down?
Oh no, I won't try. No. Extra life. No! I lost my ice.
Yes, babe.
I'm just going to the end.
No!
Oh, you died! Yes! I completed it without you!
Oh my god. I'm choosing this time.
Okay, but I thought we could do them in order. I think
Okay.
I think I might have won.
Really? How many is that? Oh, I'm bad at math. So many bonus.
Come on. Oh yeah.
I don't want to choose. Go
Go on,
across.
No, this is different.
Is that?
Oh wait.
There's more.
Coin course. Acorn plane. Are you sure these are all for coins?
Yeah, they are. I want to do. Go back. Go back.
So why don't we do all these in one episode?
And do them next week.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
If you guys enjoy it. Right, not episode. Don't know what I'm talking about. Course 3. Fishies! Fishies! Fishies!
No! You floppy disk.
I'm not a floppy disk!
Yes!
Come on. I'm literally not a floppy disk.
Yes, you are.
I'm not!
Oh, it went.
Come on, you floppy disk.
Can I shoot you?
Please don't. That would be much appreciated.
Thanks. No! Yes. Have you ever been to Australia?
Yeah.
I went
my
in a
house.
boat.
What?
I went in a boat.
To Australia?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I would know if you did.
Why?
Because you're my brother.
No, I went in my dreams. Yes!
Oh, no.
I think I do.
No, you got it. Nobody likes you. Come on, come on, come on.
Everyone likes me, don't you?
Yeah, sure.
Yes!
What? You're hacking, bro.
Yeah, I know, I hack. Sorry, I bring it out, I hack.
This is so hard.
What are you doing?
We're just standing here. I'm getting the coins. Ah!
I'm going ahead. What?
Lol.
What?
Oh, dang it. Right, I'm going to shake like a mental person.
Come on. No, no, no. Come on.
This is like war here. No! I'm not.
I just said. I think I won. You got to admit it.
Probably. Come on. Come on.
What? How are you winning?
I'm not.
You
Can't
won.
you? Don't you understand numbers?
You were at the start. Oh, boy.
Right, yeah, you won. 2-1 to me.
Okay.
Next course. Do.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, I love rainbows.
You are so weird.
Floppy disk. Have you died already?
Shut up.
Oh, I love rainbows. Oh, I love rainbows.
Oh!
Thanks. Whee! Bouncy turtles! I was supposed to say bouncy turtles.
Oh no! Wrong way. You can go in front.
Are you a floppy disk?
Oh my god! I should make a montage.
Yeah, cool. Do you a floppy disk?
It will be about 20 hours long montage.
Like your Wii U Wednesdays.
That wasn't 20 hours long. It was a good video though. If you just flew.
Oh my god! I'm the best at gymnastics.
No.
We're just messing about here.
I'm not messing about. It's being sensible. Oh, that could have been funny. Stop jumping on my head!
Wait! What? You're so funny!
Oh no, I'm so funny.
I knew you had floppy disk.
That was brilliant. I just threw you.
You're winning. What?
I'm so good at this one. I'm gonna have to show the best bits at the end of this. Definitely the best bits from this course. Oh my god, that was great.
I'm getting on the coins. Laughing at that.
Oh, that
We
right.
only got like 28. Wow.
Well, I got no bonus coins. Oh my god, I got like 80 more than you.
That got some
mini montage coming up now of the best bits and the strangest bits from that episode. Montage coming up now.
Oh, I love rainbows. No, I patted you.
Want to check that out? That will be in the description.
No, what is that?
Oh, that was swagger jagger.
Are you a flop?
That was great. Okay, now moving on to course number 5.
No, I'm not doing this one. You see that clam? It's gonna eat us. Are they even called clams?
I know.
Or big starfish
Go and ask
fat
him.
things? But this one you've got a giant water dragon chasing after you.
Yeah, well,
But me and my friend
Make
found
friends
really
with it. You have no friends.
I have for some people. I'm winning.
How do you know?
Because you got star above your head.
No, that doesn't mean if you're winning, does it? Oh, it's clammy.
They look so cute.
Ah.
No!
You have to shout so much. Oh no. Oh, more again.
Check out Farm Hunt of the amazing ambulance editing. If you a spoiler, if you haven't told you it's hard, if you haven't watched it. But I would highly check it out.
Right, let's try that one again.
Really?
Yes, really. Come on.
Are you a floppy disk?
How many times just so?
Write if you know what a floppy disk is.
You don't.
I do.
What?
Well, I don't want to say.
Yeah.
I'll tell you after the video.
Sure you will.
Nom
Nom nom nom nom nom nom
nom nom nom nom. I got nommed.
nom nom nom
Nom nom nom nom. It's a nom harmony.
This is the strangest video ever.
No, not Stranger's Farm Hunt.
Ah! No, go!
No, I got eaten by a scale.
No!
And it was piano scale.
Stop
What was
making...
Beethoven's favourite food? Banana.
What?
Did Beethoven play the piano?
Yeah.
Who sung then?
Beethoven. I don't know. He doesn't sing.
Who? Tell me an old-fashioned person that sung.
I don't know.
Let's say.
Jim Bob Jason.
Yeah. What is Jim Bob's Jesus' favourite food?
What?
Eggs. No, banana.
I don't even know what the
I
joke
don't know
is.
either.
What was the joke?
I don't-
Banana.
It's not a minion. I don't. This is called 6.
Yeah, oh dear.
Oh my god, this is.
People have never seen you be strange before. Like, as in, because in the videos I do with you, like replica and stuff, you're just acting normal. But this. Oh, you a floppy disk?
Yeah.
I know you are.
Oh, come on. Dun dun dun.
It's you.
No, it's not.
It's you in the morning.
Yeah, when I get really radio and I have to go to school. Whee! Ah! No! I'm gonna be eating Mr. Floppy. This one sucks.
Oh, like you.
I'm gonna climb up this.
I'm gonna climb over to a clam's mouth.
Oh, yay. Come on. What? feel so angry.
You make me angry, girl.
Mr. Angry Man, who reminds me of you when you have to.
Oh no!
We're so bad at these.
Really? You just figured that out?
No.
We're on course 6.
Gold star.
No, 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 no. Come on.
Wow. You're winning!
Whee! Whee!
That is so hacking.
I didn't even get it.
Yeah, I know.
That is so hacking.
Oh, oh. Floppy disk.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I keep losing coins. You're so good at those jumps.
Whee, thanks. Woo!
Woohoo!
Merg, do you want to hear my impression of Shy Guy? Merg.
No, my impression is Shy Guy.
This is my impression of Mario. It will hear my Mario song
No one.
in the next video. Like,
No one.
if we get 5 likes, I'll sing it.
Guys, do not like the video.
Yeah.
Please don't. I always ask for likes, but I can't get this gold coin.
Floppy disks. What's your first word?
I bet yours was floppy.
No, it was bubble.
Really?
Hashtag lol.
Hashtag lol.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Help me.
Where are we going with this? The first person who gets this gold star.
Yeah, that's not a gold star.
What
The
is
gold
it?
star's things above my head. Because I'm winning.
Oh my god, we just crack our heads.
Oh my god.
Do you know what really annoys me?
You. That doesn't make sense. Oh my god.
Floppy disk. Can we just give up?
No.
Sucks.
We're not giving up.
Oh, I died.
Amazing.
I got too low. Are the foundations of your face too low?
What?
I don't know. I'm gonna play like this now with my controller this way.
Oh my god.
Woohoo! God, I haven't even made it to there yet.
Right, I'm giving up on this gold star. Where's the door?
I don't know. What's that? Whee! That looks like Sam.
Go down.
Sam, try this. Try this. Whee! No, you have
Come
to
on.
jump.
Right, no, I'm gonna find this door.
There's the angry dude.
It's called you.
It makes me angry.
Yeah.
Stuck.
No, we're not.
How did you get down there?
You look so small. Just come on, we've only got 50 seconds.
I need to win. Can't dodge.
Are we just stuck?
I think so. No, I think this is the belly bounce. Did you see that?
What do we have to do? Do we just
I
wait
think
for
we're
time
just
to
in
run
here.
out?
Yeah, I think so. Unless they show us or Luigi time.
It's Luigi time. Oh yes. Yes, got it.
You're winning. By the way, Twilight Creep Zero is a hacker.
Time's up. Did we just die?
Yeah. What? We drew. Yay. I got.
Do we have time for one more? No, we don't.
What?
If you enjoyed this, do not like it, because then my brother will have to sing a song. But
Well,
share
consider
and
now.
subscribe.
Please like.
No. No.
Sorry.
If you want to see the next 2 courses and us try that one again, just let me know.
What about
If
the
you
clam? Forgetting about it. Oh yeah, we did 2 courses.
If you don't, if you don't,
I'll never
Let
stop
us
saying
know.
floppy disk.
thank you for
Love
watching,
it,
and I'll see you all later.
Good. And floppy disks.
I will fly.